Hey everyone, welcome back to Cleve's Insights. Man, I got a product for you guys this time. Now look, this is a small product that can save your life in an emergency. And what it is the Get Pick Wrist Strap Window Breaker. Now a lot of times you can have those emergency tools that does all kind of stuff, with the flashlight, the seatbelt cutters and all that stuff. That's fine and dandy, but a lot of times you store those things away in the glove compartment or under the seat or in the trunk or somewhere where you can't get to them quickly. That's not the problem with the Get Pick, because look at this. It's just small, and I'll show you. It comes two to a box, and I'm not getting paid for this. This is a product I got. Believe it or not, I got it out of one of those Amazon mystery boxes that had a bunch of stuff in it. This is one thing that was kind of interesting. But yeah, see, it just has like a titanium piece of metal wheel on here, and it goes around your wrist. So you actually always have it on your wrist, and you can tighten it up right here with this wrist strap tightener. A little awkward, but, and so, you always have it on your wrist, and in an emergency, you never know. Now, just remember, don't try to use this on the windshield, because the windshield is like tempered glass and you just shatter the windshield. It's not going to help you. You want to hit it on a side window, preferably in a corner. Now there's a few ways you can do it, but I find the best way to use this thing is to just go ahead and take it off real quick. Do like a slingshot. So pretty much go like this with your fingers, pull it back like that. And if you do this deal like this, and just, aim it towards the corner of the window. Now remember, the corner of the window, and just, and this little titanium piece of metal wheel has ridges on it. It'll shatter that glass, and you can get out. And I think everybody will be happy. Now, there's pros and cons to this thing, and I'll show you. Now, let's look at some pros of this thing. One thing is super compact, always accessible because it's on your wrist. No batteries required, thank God. And it's a simple design. Nothing to fail, it's simple. Now, the cons. It only does one job. You got to remember to actually wear it. You got to have it with you to use it. And it doesn't have a seatbelt cutter, like some escape tools have. So you just got to remember that. But other than that, I think it's a good product, pretty well built. And not only that, you have two of them. Now, do you think this wrist strap window breaker is worth it? I don't know. I haven't used it yet. But if you want a no-nonsense emergency tool that stays on you instead of getting lost in your car, I'd say yes. It's one of those things you hope you never need, but you'll be glad if you ever do. Now, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Cleve's Insights, leave your comments. Now, would you carry one of these in your car instead of an escape tool? It's something to consider. Thanks for watching, guys, and follow me for another one. Bye.